बिग डी।
खालू के सामने पागल हो गई है।
खालू भाई के साथ सिगरेट पी रही थी, वो ठीक है?
बेवकूफ क्वेश्चंस मत पूछ, यू नो हाउ इट इज। एक तो आधे अधूरे कपड़े पहन के आ गई है, वैसे ही लोग घूर रहे हैं, ऊपर से you continue doing all of these stunts, attention के लिए करती है।
Wow. Out of all these people, I don't think that you should say this. आपको पता है मैं क्यों हूँ, क्या हूँ, कैसे हूँ, and I am like this. This is who I am. Do you get it?
Stop. 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 This is who I am all the time. Be who you are. किसने रोका है? But stop making people feel uncomfortable. Now people aren't going to change. It's too late now. You have to understand this. साल में एक बार यहाँ आए, बच्चों जैसी हरकतें कर रही है।
क्या प्रॉब्लम है? क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपको? कोई कुछ बोलेगा तो मैं बोल लूंगी ना, कर लूंगी हैंडल। कोई बोलेगा सिगरेट पी ली, बोल दूंगी खालू भाई पी ले, उनके साथ मैंने पी ली, व्हाट्स द फकिंग प्रॉब्लम?
I knew this would happen.
कपड़ों के बारे में तो कुछ नहीं बोलेगा, डोंट वरी, किसी की हिम्मत नहीं है मुझे कुछ बोलने की। आई डोंट नो व्हाई यू सीरियसली ओवर रिएक्टिंग।
मैं react कर रही हूँ। Are you done? I knew you were going to behave like this. कैसे पता था?
क्या पता?
तूने मुझे अपना सच बताया। I accepted you, right? I was there for you every step of the way. But अब क्यों ऐसे लगने लग गया उल्लू that you're just doing this जानबूझकर to throw us off all the time, to test us, just because we don't mind.
No, you don't mind. वो सारा फिर इतना ओपन माइंडेड होने का नाटक क्या था? You don't mind? मेरी मेरी बहन ने मुझे बताया that she is bisexual and I know why she is like this and what happened to her, but I don't mind. Wow, I'm so open-minded and I don't care and wow, what an achievement.
It's not fair. That's really not fair. I fought with Abu and Ammi for you. भूल गई है क्या? He even slapped me. Do you know how much it was for me?
No, I don't remember. मारा था क्या? नहीं मारा था, मैं तो वहाँ पे थी नहीं, मुझे क्या पता? अबू can't do anything. He loves you. He's the best.
Excuse me?
Sorry. आपका डायलॉग वापस आपको मार दिया ना? Sorry.
Let's not go there. Stop. I don't want to talk about this.
Let's talk. Let's go there. Now that we've come this far, let's go there. Let's go there.
Baba, Uru, we discussed now, and you also agreed that it wasn't what you thought it was. So, let it be, Naya. Just let it go, please.
No, I did not agree to this. I was made to agree to this. I just seriously thought for one moment you could understand where I'm coming from, what I have gone through. That for once you thought that I'm not delusional, I'm not fucked up, I'm not the one making this family with someone else's. I just wanted you to believe me. I just wanted someone to believe in me, Dee. He did molest me. He did. I'm sure he did.
Stop it now. It's not a fucking joke. बचपन से तेरी आदत थी अटेंशन के लिए just to make shit up. अप्पू के बारे में एक और शब्द नहीं सुनना मुझे. Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
You're the one delusional. You are the one who's delusional, and I feel bad for you. You're still not listening to me.
He apologized ना. माफी मांगी तो थी उनने. He admitted कि he thought it was Ammi.
No.
And anyway, why were you sleeping between them at the age of 16? क्या कर रही थी तू वहाँ पे? Please grow up. माफ करना सीख ले यार लोगों को.
नहीं दी, नहीं. This is not what happened. He ran his hands all over my body, all over my body. He knew that it was me. I was sitting right between him and Ammi. He knew it was me. He still ran his hands all aware. He was aware.
Shut up. And by the way, if you were so aware that he was doing all these things to you, तो चुप क्यों थी? Why didn't you say anything? क्यों नहीं किया तुमने कुछ? देखो अच्छा लग रहा था क्या? Since you like all these kinds of things with all kinds of people.
Out of all the things that people have ever said to me, that this was the most hurtful. I never thought that you, being my sister, would say something to me. दुनिया तो बोले तो बोले. मैंने इसलिए कुछ नहीं बोला क्योंकि मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा था. नहीं समझ आ रहा था मुझे what was he doing? If I was dreaming or was it true? I just could not fathom the fact that my own Abu, my own fucking Abu was trying to molest me. I could
Shut
not.
up! Shut up!
क्या करोगे? नहीं shut up करूँगी. क्या करोगे? Will you hit me? क्यों नहीं समझ आ रहा है? He is a molester, a borderline rapist. क्यों नहीं समझ आ रहा है आपको? How hard is it? I'm not saying. Let me make it very clear to you. Very clear. Shaira, she's his next target. She is.
Just to prove yourself, तो अब मेरी बेटी को इसमें घसीटेगी. Can't believe you, Guru.
You seriously think मैं ये proving के लिए कर रही हूँ कुछ? I don't care about that child.
What is this? क्या है ये?
She asked me to come pick her up. And she was so scared of you that she asked me to promise कि मैं आपको ना बताऊँ ये सब. She's scared of Abu. She does not feel safe around him. He is not the man that he. You need to stop the cycle. So Shaira, please. Please, please.
No, no. I can't.